Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 8. Today we're just going to be practicing a straight standard algorithm for multiplication. So I'll go over one of those and then we'll hit a word problem. So this first problem, I have 987 times 3,105. I'm going to put the one with more digits on top. So I'm going to have 3,105 times 987. When I multiply, I'm going to start with the ones place. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 7 times 1 is 7. And 7 times 3 is 21. Let's see if I want to move this over a little bit. Now I want to go to my tens place. Since I'm multiplying by 80 and not 8, I'll put that 0 there. Move things over to the left. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 8 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 3 is 24. Now I'm going to go to my hundreds place. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. Going to add up. 5, 3, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 5 is 16. 8, 9, 10 plus 4 is 14. 9, and I like compatible numbers here, so I'm going to actually look at that, put that 1 with a 9 to give me 10. Plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16. And then I get 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. I get an answer of 3,064,635. Now what we need to do to test reasonableness is estimate. So 987 is pretty close to 1,000, and 3,105 is pretty close to 3,000. So I should get an answer that is close to a 3 with 6 zeros, or 3 million. I am very close to that, so it checks, and I'm pretty confident of my solution. Here we have a word problem, and we're going to use a bar model to see what's going on. It says a club has some money to purchase new chairs. After buying 355 chairs at $199 each, there was $1,068 remaining. How much money did the club have at first? So one chair was $199, and we had 355 groups of that. Of course, I'm not going to do 355 units here, so I'm just going to do a dot, 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 so on and so forth, all the way up to 355 of them. Now, after we paid for all of those, then I had $1,000 left over, or $1,068 left over, and I want to know how much money we had at first. I could have done this with the comparison model. Had I done it with a comparison model, I would have two bars. One would be this part, my second bar would be this, and then I would put them together. But this is the way I chose to do it here. Now that I can see what my problem is, I can write an expression to find the solution. So to get the solution, I'm going to have 355 groups of $199 plus $1,068 that were left over. Making a little room, I'm going to come over to the side and do my scratch work. I'm going to have 355 times 199, and I'm going to get 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 is 31. 0 placeholder. 45. 9 times 5 again is 45, plus 4 is 49. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 is 31. 2 0 placeholders. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Add them up. 10, 11, 16, 4, 5, 10, 6, 7. I get $70,000 and $70,645. That was what we paid for the chairs. Now I'm going to add to that. Now we need to add my $1,000 on there that I had left over, my $1,068. And I'm going to get 13, 11, 7, 1, 7. So my answer is going to be, so my final answer is the club started with $71,713. Now I could quickly estimate to check this. I could say that I have about 400 times about 200 plus about 1,000, and that's going to give me 80,000 plus 1,000 is 81,000, and it's pretty close considering how much I rounded up here. And that's it for today's lesson.